Looking for a new ranch home? 2 new construction homes are coming soon. These 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch homes are situated on 1.45 acre lots in desirable Hopewell Township in Cumberland County, New Jersey. And here's the best part. They are priced at $294,999. The homes will be 1,320 square feet and feature an open concept, luxury vinyl plank flooring, dining area, main floor laundry, master bathroom, full basement, and a 10-year builder's warranty. These homes will be completed in summer and fall of 2023. So let's take a closer look next. We help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. So if you're looking to buy a home or sell a home in New Jersey, Delaware, or Pennsylvania, my team and I would be honored to help. And you can contact us at info@promptagents.com. Let's start this video off and show you where exactly is Hopewell Township in South Jersey. So I'm going to just kind of zoom out here. This is Bridgeton, New Jersey right here, and then Hopewell Township is just west of Bridgeton. So if we zoom out a little bit, you'll see where we are in South Jersey. You've got Millville, Haviland up here, Delaware over here, and Philadelphia up north. So if you want to take a look at distances to Philadelphia, approximately a 1-hour drive to Philadelphia, and about 2.5 hours to New York City here, 2.5 hours to New York. So that just gives you an idea of where the community is located, where these homes are located in Hopewell Township. All right, so let's take a look at the inside of the home, and this is a 360 virtual tour. And these homes are not built yet. They will be coming soon. But this is a great way to get a look at the home and what the features are going to have. Here's a look at the kitchen area. Your refrigerator would be going right here. You've got your appliances right here. And then let's back out again. We're here. You have the eat-in kitchen area. This would be where your dining table would be right here. Coming through here to the living room area. Here's the front entryway. There'll be a coat closet there. And turning around, this is the living room. So these are, relatively small, about 1,300 square feet. So not a whole lot of room. Does look like there's a pantry there too, which is nice. And then let's circle back around here. Take you down the hallway. We'll take a look at some of the rooms here. So here's the hall bathroom. Got that luxury vinyl plank flooring, which looks nice here in this sample. Tub surround, vanity there. All right, so let's take a look at the bedroom. There we go, bedroom here. Get a better look at the closet. Go back out, take another look here. We have another bedroom. So here's a look at the second bedroom. So it looks like you got 2 bedrooms on this side. Here's a look at the closet. 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath on this side. And then as we head back out, these are the steps going down to the basement. So as I said, these are full basements on this house. So let's go, we'll take a look at that in a minute, but there's the basement. Back to the kitchen area. And then right off the kitchen, a little pantry here. This would be the owner's suite here. I'm gonna move over here. Here's a look at the owner's suite. Full closet there. So it is a split bedroom design, which is really nice. So you have the owner's suite on one side, you have the other 2 bedrooms on the other side. Let's go in and take a look at that bathroom. Here's a look at the bathroom. You do have a step-in shower here, linen closet behind the door there, and then here's a look at the bathroom. So it's a pretty simple bathroom. This is the owner's suite, just a single vanity toilet. Again, not a huge house, but the way this virtual tour actually looks quite nice from what I'm seeing here in the photos. Carpeted in the bedrooms. You have that luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living room area. Here's another look at that kind of open space here, dining area and living room. And let's go down and take a look at that basement. It will be an unfinished basement area. So let's go down and take a look at the basement. Let's see how that looks. It does look like insulated walls. I'm seeing a window there. Let's go over here. So this is a really nice feature of this. You have this full basement here, so it is space that you could utilize. You could finish this off down the road at some point for additional living space, additional living area. I'm seeing a couple windows included in there as well, so that's great to have that window space. Here's a look at your HVAC, water heater, things like that are all right over here, your mechanicals. So this would be well water here. This has got your water pump and everything right there for that water heater. Your heaters here. And another look at that basement space. So a lot of open area here, plenty of room to work with. And I'm seeing also in this particular model, you have a Bilco door to go right outside. So let me zoom out of here. So you see that you have the Bilco doors, steps going outside, which is really nice to have that access to be able to go right out from the basement or enter in from the basement from the yard. So really cool feature. So again, backing up at the dollhouse view of the home, just to give you a better idea of the layout here, you come in this way. This is the front entryway. You have the living room, you have the eat-in kitchen, the owner's suite on this side, the bathroom there. One thing I didn't show you was over here, the laundry room. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. I think I missed that part. Then you have 2 bedrooms on this side and the full bath, steps going down to the basement right there. And like I said, this looks like the Bilco doors going out from outside into the basement area. Let's see if we can get into this laundry room here. Okay, so here is a look at the laundry room. You do have a laundry room right off of the kitchen area. You have your washer and dryer hookups there. This one has looks like it's a gas line plus an electric line there as well. You can run either gas or electric for the dryer. And then you do have a back door as well going out the back of the house. So let me know what you think of this layout, if you think this house is big enough or could work for you with that extra space in the basement. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of the layout and floor plan.
If you're looking for an affordable ranch home, it's so hard to find any new homes for under $300,000. You definitely want to consider these homes. Leave a comment and let me know what you think of these homes. And this is a more rural setting, and if you're looking for a new home in a community, watch this video next. The 9 cheapest new construction homes in South Jersey.